Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Grady-White 285 Freedom. This boat has been redesigned for 2020. The outside hull color is the new hull color Ocean Mist. This boat is powered by twin Yamaha 300 4-strokes digital throttle shift. Ski tow bar comes up and down here in the back. Very large transom fish box. Live well here on the port side. This boat's going to have the pop-up stainless steel cleats. The raw water washdown is going to be located under the gunnel. It does have a flip-down bench seat in the back. Now this boat is going to have two electric seats that come out. Here you're going to have seats on both sides, port and starboard. Here at the helm, you've got the flip-up bench seat. This is going to have the digital throttle shifters. This also has the joystick with Helmmaster and set point. Bennett trim tabs with indicator. Push button start and stop for your engines. Fusion stereo system. And your Yamaha digital gauges. We leave this blank so you can put any of your electronics of choice. Over here on port, you'll see a very spacious head compartment with sink, shower, and plenty of storage. Up top, this is the Ocean Mist color under the hardtop. Storage netting, LED lights. We did order the isinglass for this boat, and it does have the sure shade out the back. Coming forward, you're going to have the very bow block-off door. You're also going to have storage here with the tackle boxes. As we make our way in the bow, you'll see this is very spacious up front here in the bow. Low profile grab rails, Fusion stereo speakers, and also a windlass anchor with controls forward and at the helm. That concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Grady-White 285 Freedom. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.